Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestyle DIY, and today I'm coming to you with how to make your own tissue paper decor for any occasion, especially while we're locked down on COVID. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video because this is going to be super easy on how you can create any occasion party decor with tissue paper for less than $1. I mean, you get so many sheets of tissue paper, and we came up with some cute and inexpensive pieces that you can make for any party that you're having. So let's get to it, and it's going to be so much fun. I hope you enjoy this DIY video. So a lot of you guys, I'm having a virtual party, and a lot of you asked me in my DM about some cheap decor that I could come up with that you can make at home with, the least supplies. So right now we're going to work on the banner, and all you need is a tissue paper in whatever colors and a ribbon or twine. I use the ribbon. And so you're going to fold a few sheets in an accordion way, and you can actually, out of a full sheet of tissue paper, you can make 3 tassels. Now it's simple. You fold your paper in an accordion style and you snip until you get to the middle, and you do that a few more times depending on how many tassels you want to have on your banner. Now I believe I used about maybe 7 white tassels, and I made a few gold ones to add to the banner. Now all you do is, once you've folded and rolled up your tissue paper, you're going to just twist the top over the ribbon, and it kind of just stays however it stays. It just simply twist it. You can add a piece of tape to secure, but make sure you can move the tassel along the way, so that way if you have to adjust it depending on the length of your banner. Now, I hope this makes sense. Now, I did this a few more times over just to make my banner a little bit longer and a little bit more fuller. And you'll see as we go along in the video, I definitely added a few more along with some gold tassels just to break up the white. And I thought that it came out lovely. Look at that, guys. That was $1, like less than $1. Now, on to the pinwheels. Now, the pinwheels, we're going to keep the whole accordion style. You fold it in half. You cut your edges, and you fold it again so that way you can make your accordion. Now, I'm folding it back and forth in that accordion style, just so that way I can trim my edges, get it a little bit more even, and I fold another accordion again because it's a pinwheel, and so we need to be able to staple those edges together to make the round part, and that's what you see me doing here. I'm stapling 2 staples on each side and connecting the edges. And then I add twine just in case I wanted to hang them from the ceiling or if I wanted to tie a bow. And there you have it, guys. I love my little pinwheels. It's so cute. Now, on to the flower puffs. At first, this DIY was always crazy for me. I don't know why. I could never get the flower puffs the right way. But you fold your paper again in that accordion style. And once you have it all folded up, you fold it again in the middle, and you just trace your edge in whatever design you want. I rounded it out so that way it could be kind of round when I pull my sheets out. So really all you're going to do is fluff and pull. Now be careful. This is tissue paper, so be a little bit gentle with the flower puff. And you fluff and pull until all your sheets are out. And she comes out looking like that. Ooh, I love it. So, so cute. Now, this confetti popper was something I never even thought of. All you need is tissue paper, tape, scissors, and a toilet paper roll. And then you have it. You want to cut your pieces of paper up so that way you're making your little pieces of confetti. You take your balloon and you cut the tip of your balloon off. Once you have your tip cut, you tape it around the bottom of the tissue paper as you see me doing here. And then you roll it in some tissue paper just to cover the ugliness of the toilet paper roll. Like, you will not be popping that at my party. You add your confetti. And I added my confetti before I decorated it because I knew those little dots would literally dry in a second. And there you have it, guys. Now, I really had to test this out. So let's see if it works. Oh, and it worked a little bit. Yes, it did, guys. It really did work a little bit. And I was so happy that it did, because I know the better I get at making DIY party items, you will too. So now on to the pied de resistance. Like, I think this was my favorite one because I thought it was so cute to make a table runner. All you do is tape 4 pieces of full sheets of tissue paper together, like you see me doing here. And you take your scraps in whatever color, you cut out, you fold it down, and you cut out as many pieces as you can. And you're going to just roll your tape over so that way the sticky side is up, making it double-sided tape. And you tape your shapes to your table runner. This is good if, something happens to your table runner last minute, you don't have one. You also use your extra tassels, if you have any left from the banner, and add them to the edges of the table runner. And there you have it. It was so cute and simple. And now I added these at the last minute. Those little tassels that I was shaking in the video that you see right there. Now here's a quick way to make those. All you need is the tissue paper and maybe 1 or 2 sheets of print paper. You cut your tassels, you fold your paper, and you make your tassels however you want to make them, and you roll up your paper, you tape it to close. And you just add a little hot glue gun at the top, and you add your streamers, and there you have it. There you have it, a little bit of party decor to give you a little bit of fancy. That's right, guys. I made all of these party decor DIY items literally for less than $1. I mean, I've had this tissue paper from Christmas, so for me to come up with this inexpensive way to decorate for any party, especially because Party City and all those other decor stores are closed right now, so we need to come up with ways to celebrate those special occasions. And so I hope this gave you some ideas for you to celebrate those dates that are coming up, for you to celebrate with your family, even if it's indoors or virtually. So I hope you love this video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I would love to get this video to a certain amount, and one lucky winner may be winning the glue gun that I used in this video. So stay tuned for that, guys. That right there is amazing. So live life and do it your way, guys. Hey, if you need to contact me, you know how to hit me at Lifestylediyw. Thank you, guys. Love you. Bye.